Nagkaroon sa all of you. Ma'am, nagkaroon.
Okay, you may go.
Bintangin yan. Napamahal po ang tao dahil siya na. Ayan, mahal sa po yung mga mahal po ang mga tao. Dahil si Francis na mahalis na po ang mga tao. Kawawa mga... Uy. Ayan po dahil sila kawawa sila. Ayan po, kawawa po si Kiko man.
Kiko, dahil magsiyabi na po ang mga tao. Kaya po,
Yan po, binubugbog pa po. Yan po, binubuli. Binubuli.
Bully boy.
Binubuli. Gid! Gid, tabi.
To our dear friends,
Yan po, ayan.
from what we know,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
wanted to use for our education, as the love and encouragement that keep us going.
Oh, yan.
Before our gratitude to you, we thank
Yan,
you
galing.
for your willingness to break our stress,
Nagre-report po
for
siya, yan.
something that could forget all we need for our studies.
Sige.
I know that is not just to obey the parental laws of our society, but for
Ay po,
your
eh.
unconditional love toward us.
Yan,
May all
seryoso
your
po siya.
parental investment, the
Ayan,
insurance
mga
for all of us, accounting, advertising, banking, marketing, economics, or even e-commerce. These are but a few of the courses that wait for us. We all know that they spell more sacrifice, more struggle, and more money to spend your
Ito
account.
yung tangan
Yet you take the challenge of day and night. Dear parents, we offer our education to you and make it lead us to the fulfillment of the dream we share together. Tonight is your night because this program is especially for you. Thank you so much for everything.
Oh!